CYBERTAKE did send me this for review. I told them I was pretty excited because this is one thing I've always wanted to try in the summer months, is having an air conditioner. So let's open this thing up, see what we've got. Right on the top you will find the manual. I'm just throwing everything in the bag here so it's safe and doesn't blow away. Large box on the side which says accessories. Below that is a very large and hefty power supply. That's a pretty serious piece of gear right there. And then it's got some really nice foam padding in it. And let's pull the unit out. Wow, look at that. It's got a nice handle on the top. The weight isn't that bad. I'll make sure I put the specs up on the screen. Let's open the accessory box. Let's see what we get in here. All right, this is going to have all of the air hoses, power, all the extra things you're going to need. We'll start with this. This is one of your duct hoses. Then you've also got your power cord, and you've got a drainage line. At least that's what I think it is for the AC unit. Any type of condenser you have, you're going to need that. There's also a second piece of ducting in there. This is going to be one of the mounts for the ducts. Here is another mount for the ducts, depending on how you set this up. And then I've got two rings to hook the ducts to these units. Let's take a look at this thing. This is the back of the unit. We've got vents, and this is where the rear cover will go on. It's really nice packaging on this. Here's your power right on the back of the unit. And we'll go over here to the front. Operating the screen here, you've got touch controls for your fan speed and touch controls for the temperature, and then you've got physical buttons for eco mode, switching the modes of the unit, turning the unit on and off. It has a timer function here, so I can turn this on, set it at a half hour, and in a half hour it will turn off. It has a button here to immediately give you maximum output on the fan, so you can easily, if you need to, kick the thing up to high, you can do that here. And right now I'm just using the heat mode. I've got this thing cranked up to 90 degrees, and that is a really nice amount of heat. If I use my my temp gun in there, and look, it's 105. I mean, so I'm impressed with it so far. I really like the design of it. It seems to be extremely well built. It functioned right away, right out of the